Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum is showing some upside today compared to Bitcoin. For both, we were watching for reversal from the support region. Ether broke above the initial resistance I shared in yesterday's last video. So it is possible that we are reversing here. Too early to say really, but interesting observation that we have a first reaction to support. Of course, the momentum is too small really, but if you draw a trend line here, I think that got broken. So that's broken and we're already reversing to the upside. And interesting observation, Bitcoin dominance is declining. That is not massively surprising given that we talked about this trend line before on the Bitcoin dominance chart. Now you might ask, why is that important for Ethereum? Well, Bitcoin dominance, if that's declining, that could indicate obviously that the altcoins, including Ethereum, are performing better, at least temporarily. So after this uptrend now, the market reacted perfectly, just perfectly to the trend line. I haven't moved it at all, but it's this trend line we discussed before for a possible triangle pattern here on the Bitcoin dominance chart. And therefore, it's not massively surprising that Bitcoin is a bit weak today. That doesn't mean Bitcoin has to go down, but it means that the altcoins, including Ethereum, are performing better. And yeah, Bitcoin isn't doing much today, but the altcoins, including Ethereum, are actually going up a bit. Just wanted to show it. Doesn't mean this has to stay like that or anything, but just means that on the Bitcoin dominance chart, the parameters are being respected. Equally important, ETH BTC chart. Also, ETH BTC entered obviously a support region recently. Talked about that in the one of the last videos, and we have a reaction. It is too early to say if the B-wave corrective rally has started, but that would mean that there could be a phase of Ether to outperform Bitcoin ahead. Obviously way too early to say. I need to see more down here, and I would not watch for all-time highs. I'm just watching for a possible B-wave bounce on this chart. So it could be a corrective rally in which Ether is going to outperform Bitcoin for a little while. So looking at the ETH chart, obviously the idea is that here on Monday, the market could have bottomed in this fourth wave. We might have a quick look at the daily chart because some of you asked me for Ethereum all-time high targets, which have been reduced a bit after Monday's drop. They can be corrected to the upside again, but what I don't like is, I mean, this wave count makes sense, this wave count. Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3, this is the daily. This could be a Wave 4 pullback into the Monday lows. And the fifth wave to the upside could still be unfolding. The problem is, I don't really like the look of the fifth wave targets 200% extension makes sense. It would be a very weak fifth wave though for Ethereum. So what I mean is the targets of this structure that started in June 22 compared to what a fifth wave should do on the larger time frame, it doesn't match. So something's off here. So it might be that we're forming a larger triangle here or something is morphing. Not a great chart, not a very clear chart. But for now, I'm going with the white count, which allows a fifth wave to the upside to target 5,700 to maybe 7,800. But that's more of an extended target. Something different might play out here, but at the moment we're holding that green trend line on the daily, and those would be my all-time high projections for now. Yeah. So let's go to the smaller time frame chart then for Ethereum. If I find it, there you go. So yeah, the idea is we might be working on a diagonal pattern here. Obviously, only there is a clear level that needs to hold 2,393. As long as that level is holding, the upside move here is being followed. And I'm watching for further upside continuation, but only in a diagonal pattern. So it's not like an impulse, it's not reliable, but the support area is being respected. So we had 3 waves in wave 1 into the Tuesday high, a 3-wave pullback into the Wednesday low. Then here, this could also be a 3-wave rally in wave 3, targeting the 1.38 extension, possibly at $3,075. If that's the case, really, we need to hold 2,393. Maybe we're already reversing. That requires a little bit more evidence. A break above the X wave high at 2,720 would be further bullish evidence. And then the C wave should get to the 1.38 extension or higher to 3,075. So that means we're watching for higher prices, possibly today or early this week, in line with previous updates after the price dipped into the support region. But it requires a little bit more evidence to really confirm that a local low has been established. But for now, it's looking promising. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.